Hey guys, what's up? This is Wolverine Gaming from server 773, and in today's video I'm gonna show you some hot deals new event which is called as Decorate Your Dreams. So it's actually an spin and win event. So for first you'll get free claim in here. Tap on plus button, get that token of spinning, or it is called as wish coin. So for information you can check out the drop section. So let's see the rules. You can select wish decorations as many times as you want. You can change your wish at any time before the wish progress is complete. Changing the wish does not reset the progress, but the progress will reset in the next event period. During the event, there is a limit to the number of spins. Once used up, you can't spin anymore. When you obtain the golden martial statue, gold tank win in 2024 decoration, there is a 1% chance to hit a 3 times reward critical hit. Choose a wish decoration and receive it after 20 spins. You can choose items that are max level or have enough materials to max out as wish. So we can see the drop in here, like there are lots of decoration like golden martial statue win in 2024, gold tank, bronze missile truck, and also additional items like universal decor and random epic decorations from this. And if you go to the index, you'll see your all decorations in here. So let's spin. So for before spin, you can choose your here decoration or wish, current wish. So you'll need to add current wish in here, like you can see available items in here like golden martial statue win in 2024, gold tank. So I'm gonna like choose universal martial statue, and when I complete 20 spins, I can get this. So let's confirm it and done. Now you can spin if you have wish coins. So I got one from claiming section. So you can see we got some rewards in here, and you can spin like adding more daily common wish coin packs from here. Like there are lots of coin packs, so you can purchase from here and spin. So there are 999 attempts it will give you, so you can add up to 999 coins in here and spin the wheel and try to get those wish decorations. And if you don't get that, you'll get after 20th spin. So that's a sure gift you will get. So that's it guys. You can go for higher up to 999 times, or just go with the free one. So this event will last up to 2 days, 3 days. So try your luck guys, and all the best. If you find this content helpful, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.